Zombie apocalypse.
This is AGA Forex. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our new edition of our video where we give you value for free here. We are AGA Forex. We help struggling traders. Whoever is struggling with trading, whoever is struggling with forex trading, Boom and Crash can contact us here for basic information for free. So before I go, let me first of all check our last week profit. You see, I target to last week. You see, this is last week trades. We generated almost getting to $200. Oh, sorry, $780. We have some trades running as well. We have two trades. This one is the supportive trade and the other one is the main trade. What we used to do nowadays is that anytime we are using this strategy to catch a spike, we always try to make sure we open our position. If it goes against us, then we open another position to support it. That's what we call supportive trade. If you don't know what is supportive trade, kindly go and watch my last video. You'll understand the meaning of supportive trade. Now let's move on. This is it. I wanted to show you this position that I told you that I'll close. The close is on the 3rd of March yesterday. Crash 1000. So this is the two positions I've entered that support this market from this loss, and I recover up. This one was my yesterday stop loss. The market was hitting our signal. So you see, last our signal, our VIP signal, on average you make $700 from your account. If you have $5,000 account, on average, you see $700, which is around 17%, I think. Yes, which is around 17% of your account every week. Every week you generate 17% of your account every week. And this thing I'm going to share with you today is I'm going to share you my 7 rules you need to use as a beginner to trade Boom and Crash successfully, because I put all and every information here for you. So I think you follow me step by step. I'm going to give you a step-by-step breakdown in this video. I'm sorry this video may be long, but I'm very sure you will never regret any information you will get from me with respect to this strategy or any other thing that has to do with AGA Forex. Please, those that are joining my VIP, I really appreciate. Promise to give you value all the time. So that's how it is. So let me go. The step one is trade your time. What is meant by trade your time is that always try to make sure you have your own time of trading. You don't always trade. As a forex trader or a Boom and Crash trader, there are a lot of confluences against you. You are fighting the market, fighting the institution, fighting the major central banks, and fighting the big boys. So you always have to make sure you are ahead of the market, one step. You have to make sure for anything you want to do, for anything you have to do, for anything you need to do with respect to your trading system, it must always align with your own trading policy and trading rules. So trade your time. If you are a beginner trader, you don't need to always trade. You can even start swinging. That's the best for you. I'm telling you from experience. I'm telling you from what I have. So you see, that's why I want you to understand this thing very well. So number one, trade your time. Trade the right time you're supposed to trade. Don't trade anytime. Make sure you trade at your time based on your own trading system. I'm very sure you have fixed a time for you to trade, so you can be able to use those time, trade, and make sure you have gotten whatever you need to get from your trades. Number two is don't too much rely on signal services. Remember, I'm a signal provider. but I'm the one still telling you. Sometimes you don't need to fully rely on signal given to you. Even if a signal is given to you, make sure you have one or two confirmations. Those confirmation will help you. Those confirmation will clear your doubt. Those confirmation will make you have exactly what you want as a trader. We call them factors of confluence. Whether you are trading forex, you are trading Boom&Crash, you are trading stocks, you are trading commodities such as crude oil, natural gas, gold and silver. AGA Forex is always here to help you for free, and we promise to give you every information that is hidden for you. Every information you lack, anything you lack from us, will surely give it to you for free. So just follow us. If you are getting value from this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel, make sure you share this video to anybody that forex trading. So that's just it. So let's continue. So the second one is the third one, is don't use fixed lot size. What I mean by don't use fixed lot size, let me show you what I mean. If you can see from my trades, all the lot size I'm using 5 lots. I'm using 5 lots for my trade. Who can tell me why I use 2 lot for this one? The reason why I use 2.5 lot for this one, this first one, that's my second trade for the day, and from my trading system I can only use my normal lot size when I'm taking my first trade. When I'm taking my second trade, I will use half of the lot size, so that if the market go against me, I can have another portion of my account to take another trade. Please let me tell you something, the beginners traders. Please, can you just give me 1 minute of your time? Let me tell you something that will surely help you and help your trading career. If you are a beginner forex trader, always try and make sure you have all the factors of confluence, all determination, all the confluence to make sure you enter a trade. As a beginner trader, you don't enter trade anyhow. You must have what you call factors of confluence, and you can only have those factors of confluence when you have a trading plan. We are coming to the 6th one, that's the trading plan. Very soon I'm going to make a video for you on how to create a trading plan, but that one will not be enough. That's why my VIP members are asking me for a free VIP, for a VIP mentorship, and we are working on that one. We are going to charge just little amount of money to make sure we groom our people to get the best they can get from AGA Forex. So that's just it. So if you assuming I'm using 0.5 here, when this post market go against me, well, I'm using 5 lot, I will have been using 180, and I must have been losing $200 just from this trade alone. But what I just take this one. Now I'm using this one to recover. You see, before this one is minus 88, but I'm using this one to recover. So if you are trading with AGA Forex, you don't have any problem with spike. You will be a threat to spike, not spike to be a threat to you. So follow us, like us, and see what we can do. See, another entry I have gotten here, but I'm making video. I have not even entered it, and the market has already moved. I don't think I will take it. You understand? So what I want you to understand is that always have in mind you have your trading rules. Number 4, set your stop loss away from your market structure. So let me give you the instance of this thing now. Let me take this one. Let me give you the instance. Let me explain this better for you. Okay. This market that is coming down, you see, we sold here and the market is coming down here. So now, where will our stop loss, since our take profit is the nearest distance, where will our stop loss be? Our stop loss will be on top of this place. You see, on top of that place. Because where we are going to place our stop loss, they will place our stop loss in a logical place where market cannot easily come and touch it. Look at this thing can align, because the market has you see this candle here. You see this candle. Let me use the arrow to explain something for you here. Okay, let me show you something here. What do you need to understand from this market? This is where the market exactly This is why the market exactly close. This red candle, you see it closed below this green candle that come in here, and that was the reason the market continued to go down. So very soon the market will hit our TP and we just took our profit. That's what you should understand. So our stop loss will be above this line, so that we know so it go hard this market to come and break this high, break this resistance. Or you use, there's one indicator we call what is it called, Atr Average To Range. If you want to get your exact average to range of which the market is moving right now, you lose average to range. So when you are putting your stop loss should always be 180R. 180R. But if you are trading forex, you can put it 280R. Low swing low. Assuming assuming this market, this is the swing low here. Probably always just take this highs. This is the swing low, so you can go and place 180R above this highs, probably somewhere around that place. So that's why that's why your stop loss is. Because sometimes if you are a beginner trader, you don't know how to position your stop loss, and it's very, very important. If you are missing some good thing from placing your stop loss, definitely your trades are having some problems. That's what you should understand. You see. So if you look at even from this last week trade, just today alone, I have gotten some profit. This is the position we call from we closed from our BIV signal. You see, today is 3rd March 2021, which day we are in Wednesday. You see, this is AGA Forex. This is our position. This one is going up and this one is recovering. We are recovering. This one is supporting our negative trade. So when this one will hit TP, this one has finished retracing, so it will retrace back and will close our position. So that's just it. So if you are finding value on this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. And what is the next one out of those 7 rules? The next one is follow the price action. What it means by follow the price action, the meaning of follow the price action is that if you are buying a market, okay, let me show you. Who know the reason why I sell this market? If you look at the market from the higher time frame, you look at the market is in an uptrend. Look at it here. The market is in an uptrend, in a downtrend, producing what? The market was just producing you see, high low. This is higher high, sorry, and this is what? Higher low. So let me use this thing. Higher high and higher low. That's what we'll be producing here. Let me show you here. You can see this is lower low and this is higher low. This is lower low. This is higher low. When the market come and break this resistance will come lower low, and this market come back and produce another higher low. So that's what you should understand. When market is in a downtrend, the market will be producing higher low and higher high. When the market is in an uptrend, the market will be producing higher high and higher low. Simple. That's what you should understand. So that was the reason I sell this market, and you can see from the time frame we are using, our market is giving us profit. We are cashing pips now. Let's see how many pips. See, from 60.73 to 60.55, almost more than 20 pips. We are just watching the market to hit our TP and we'll catch our profit. This is AGA Forex. Follow us live, follow us on our channel, follow us on everywhere you can find us, and make sure we share the pips together. Everybody get the pips. What is be the last one? The last one, have a trading plan. The number 6. So what is my trading plan? Trading plan is a systematic plan which will tell you exactly when to enter a market and when to exit your market, and also to tell you how to manage your trades and how to manage your losing trade. And also trading plan is a unique character in which the market and the time frame to trade will be telling you to yourself. Let me tell you what I'm saying. If you look at this market now, I just check my highest time frame when I want to scalp market or swing. If I want to swing, I'll consider high daily, and I'll consider 4 hours, and I'll consider 1 hour. and I'll place my trade with 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Very soon I'm going to tell you which time frame is the best for you as a beginner. So you see, number one, I'm obeying this simple what is it called? This simple double top here. Look at it. Sorry, my meter trader 4 have stopped. And you see from this point, look at it from this point, look at it. Just check the chart. I have gotten my double top here. This is the first top, this is the second top. I've gotten them gallantly, and that was the reason I'm just selling my market. I'm selling my market. A spike just occurred now. A spike just occurred, but it's not a very long spike. You see, this spike will continue to drag this market down by good grace, because the market is going in our favor. Okay, this is what the market spikes. The market approached the 200 moving average. So this market is testing this place. This market will need to continue down, and that's when our TP will hit. So that's what you should understand. Always get your best time frame to trade. Best time frame to trade. You see? So let me show you what I mean with that. Let's check another pair. Let's check 1000. Let's check Boom 1000. So have a trading plan. Your trading plan will tell you what you need to do in the market for everything you are going to do, for everything you are doing. So we miss this entry. We missed this entry. Let me check. Let me just check the 1 minute time frame. So we missed this entry. This is how we're supposed to enter this market here. I missed it, so no problem, I'll just hold on. So that's what you should understand with trading plan. So trading plan will tell you when to enter your trade and when to exit your trade. When it will tell you how to manage your winning trade and how to manage your losing trade. It will still tell you how better you can be able to know the time frame you are trading. And the number 7 rules is what? Rules are meant to be broken. Yes, rules are meant to be broken, but please, I tell God beg you, always strive and respect your trading system. If you respect your trading system, that's when your trading system will respect you. Are you with me? If you respect your trading system will forever respect you. That's one good thing about market. So this thing, no, there is no magic inside. There is nothing inside. If you know how to trade these things, come and trade it. If you don't know how to trade, follow the BIP, join the BIP. In BIP, one good thing about our BIP channel, we share some important documents that we don't always share them in the normal group. And when you are a BIP member, there are a lot of benefits attached to that. So for the sake of people that are even asking me to start a BIP mentorship, very soon we're organizing a seminar, a one month seminar that will teach you everything you need to do, that will make you have your own trading plan, because most of people don't have trading plan. And sometimes it will surprise me. I ask people, how did you trade? What is your strategy and what is your trading plan? They will tell me they don't have a trading plan. My brother, let me tell you something you don't know. If you don't have a trading plan, you are planning to fail. Forex is not like all other things you know. You must have a trading plan for this thing to work for you. You must have a trading plan. Your trading plan will be set of rules. You set rules for yourself. You set rules for your buy and sell market. Everything you need to. Everything you need to. Your market can set it. Everything. I'm receiving a call. And you see, this is the real account. So some people are asking me, I will like, yes, we're trading real account. There's no way we will start telling you some shit that we cannot do, or some things that we are not managed, we are not able to manage. You see, this is a real account. All the accounts we trade, we have multiple accounts that we trade. We even have account management. So we trade real account. It's because we are giving you signal from our real account. That's why you are always seeing the positive reviews and positive views in our BIP channel. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. By God's grace, my next video I will talk about how the difference between trading plan and strategy. because people misunderstand something. If you have a good trading plan, you can use your trading plan to always change your strategy to anything you want to. You can update any strategy you want to. Even me, sometimes I do update my indicator settings on my phone. The reason why I like to use these indicators to help you, if you are a boom and crash trader and you want to scalp, you need to use these indicators, because they are the one who will show you some higher highs and higher lows that you can be able to place your long trades on top. Probably using one of these two influences, double top, double bottom, all those kind of things. So AGFRS is always here to help you. Make sure to like this video if you get value from this video. If you did not get value from this video, dislike this video and tell me how I can improve for myself. Nice to meet you here. Nice to see you. This is the very wonderful time with you, and I'm really enjoy every of my members here. See you in my next video. This is AGFRX, home of struggling traders, home that will help all struggling traders to achieve what they want in their life. Bye.